Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Enable unknown sources only if the test server requires an APK, otherwise use the official beta page. Free at least 500 MB so the installer can unpack. Make sure background updaters are off to avoid conflicts. Once done, confirm your Android version and whether your device is 64-bit, because mismatched binaries cause the appnet installed error. You do these checks now, so the next steps can run without basic failures. You proceed to the core. Remove conflicting packages, or if you must keep data, use ADB to install while preserving user data. Use the command ADB install RD for downgrade or replacement where appropriate, and install split APKs or the correct app bundle for your CPU. Make sure the test server APK signature matches any prior install, otherwise Android blocks installation. Once you handle signatures and splits, the installer should proceed. If not, revisit the matching and you finish by clearing the package manager cache and rebooting. This removes stale installer state and often fixes leftover failures. After reboot, install or open the test server, grant runtime permissions, and allow background data so account verification can succeed. If problems persist, capture logcat with a DB logcat while attempting install and look for install failed asterisk codes. Those tell you whether it is signature, permission, or ABI related. Use that single error code to target the exact fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.